Day 2, moving with the project. So today we're going to apply the board along the fence so we can support our weed barrier 1 feet up, and we'll move on. Hopefully today we'll make it the weed barrier. We'll make a nice, beautiful ice skating over here. Here we go. We got the music, we got the power. 6:30 in the morning, beautiful sunrise. Look at how nice, beautiful the mountains in the back. Okay, we'll move forward. Andale. Let's go. Make like this. Ta-da-da. Juan, say hello. Buenos dias. Yes. We got the music, yes. We got the power. We got everything. Here we go. Project is moving forward. Just still the wood right now. We're gonna make a nice board by perimeter where the weed barrier will rise probably 1 feet up, so prevent from any insects, animals coming in. So that's gonna be nice, like a pool size with cover. Okay, so that's it. It's a little windy today. We'll continue the project very soon. Have a great day. Okay, half a day, managed to do the one quarter of a layer. So it's hot day, can take a break. Sunday today, so hopefully we'll get energy. We will continue next week. Have a great day. Okay, another beautiful day. Today we already pre-cut all the weed barriers, so we're gonna have layers along the perimeter, and we're preparing right now the nails and plastics to hold it. Here we go. So it's gonna go all the way to the perimeter every couple feet, and then along the way over there. Okie dokie, see you later.